All plants have life cycles. The life cycle of a plant includes its lifespan and its way of producing more plants like itself. Mosses and ferns are two kinds of plants that produce spores. Producing spores involve the joining of male and female sex cell or gametes. As shown in the diagram below, the moss plant gametes form in the top of leaf-like structure. When gametes from the male plant join with gamete on the female plants, fertilization takes place. A long thin stalk then develops from the tip of the female plants. A capsule forms at the top of this stalk. Spores form inside the capsules. When the capsule bursts, the spores come out. If the spores land on a moist surface, they may develop into a new moss plant. This is the life cycle of a conifer. It is a gymnosperm, a seed-bearing plant. Gymnosperm do not produce flowers or fruits. Most gymnosperm produce their seeds on the woody scales of the female cones. The illustrations show the life cycle of a pine tree. The female cone on the top of the tree have a spiral of a woody scale on a short stem. There are female gametes on each scale, while male cones are smaller and less woody than the female cones. Male cones grow at the tips of lower pine branches in spring. A male pine cone can produce millions of pollen grain. Carried by the wind, they may land on a female cone. If pollen grain land on a female cone, fertilization may take place, and a new conifer seed will develop. During the fall and winter, female cones fall off the pine trees. When scales open, the seeds fall out. Some pine trees need fire to open their scales. Animals or the wind scatter other pine seeds. If a seed lands where the conditions are right for germination, a new pine tree will grow.